And I thought, wow, $12 over $70. I wanted to try it. Welcome to the channel, Nessa Sunshine. I'm Nessa, and today we are getting into a dupe alert. I have seen this palette everywhere, and it is so pretty. I've seen the Patrick Ta one, that's the dupe, this is the dupe. So if you're interested in a dupe tutorial with this eye look and this lip combo, well, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. I rolled my brush into the shadow and I'm using the pointed part, blending in the outer corner in toward the center, in the crease above the crease area of the eyelid. Man, look at that. For only $12, that's amazing. And now I'm blending in bigger circular motions. I did tight circular motions at first. And I'm using just the tip of this blending brush. This is incredible. Use swiper motions on the tip of the brush to go to the inner part. I'm going to blend very lightly with light pressure above the brow bone area, well, above the crease in the brow bone area, to just diffuse the color more and blend it out. Go ahead and pinch the brush and blend whatever is left on the lower lash line. Go ahead and check both sides to make sure they're even. Blend, add more if necessary. And then we'll get into shimmer time. This one shadow is incredible. I am like, wow. 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 With my handy dandy finger, I'll get into the shade that I swiped. This shade's so buttery, I'm swiping on the outer edge of the mobile lid. So I'm blending with a pinky up and around to the outer corner. I'm adding just a little bit more. Go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. And swipe the brightest shimmer for shimmer time. Swipe on the inner part with the brightest shadow. Blend with a pinky. Blend into the other shimmer a little bit as well with the pinky. Add a little bit more to the center. And it has such a nice look. Go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. With the same brush and same shade as the beginning, add to the outer corner and swiping motions forward, inward toward the shimmer for greater dimension. And I'm just using light pressure, do the same thing to both sides. With my Charlotte Tilbury powder, I'm just going to clean up the edge a little bit. And then I'll blend with a brush the excess. And don't forget mascara. If you want just mascara, I would say use some waterproof mascara, but I am popping on lashes for this look. And I believe these are the Salonn Perfect 683 lashes that I'm going to pop on next. This is the Colourpop So Juicy Lip Plumping Liner in the shade Group Chat. So I'm taking this on the bottom lip and I'm overlining a bit. And then I'll do the same thing starting in the middle and overlining and then continuing to line the lip. I'm going to add a little bit of my Kosas Concealer to the center with my beauty sponge. And then I will just fix the outer edge of this. I still want this to be lined. This lip gloss is gorgeous. It's a glossy. It's a clean brand. It's a brand you can stand behind. So pretty. This is the shade Eden. And that completes the look. $70 eyeshadow look for $12. I think this is a great dupe. This is beautiful, beautiful shadows, easy to work with, high pigmented, gorgeous shimmers. I would definitely pick this if I picked this. This is what I bought instead. That was super easy to work with. It was super easy to work with. I loved it. Super nice. I would highly recommend this dupe. I haven't tried the other like actual Patrick Ta palette that it is duping. This is gorgeous. I did try the newest one. I think it's the newest one, the all matte one. That one's nice. But for $12, the matte in here worked, I think, better than the matte in the other palette that I tried. I tried a couple mattes. It was an all matte palette. But this is gorgeous, and the shimmers are they're so pretty. This is so pretty. I think this is definitely worth it if you're interested in getting a palette like this. If you are looking for a new palette, or if you want if you want the Patrick Ta palette, but you want to save something, this is definitely for you. If you did like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Bye now.